Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the empirical formula from chapter 1, that is basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculations lesson. Okay, let us see the problem. Here the first problem is an organic compound present in vinegar has 40% carbon, 6.6% hydrogen and 53.4% oxygen. Find the empirical formula of the compound. Okay, let us see the solution. Okay, first what are the compound is given here? First one is carbon and then hydrogen and then oxygen is given. So carbon composition is 40% and hydrogen composition is 6.6% and oxygen composition is 53.4%. So totally 100% is given. Okay, so after that we find the empirical formula from the given data. Okay, we want empirical formula mean first we complete this table. So here from the given data what are the element is given? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen is given. What is the percentage of carbon? That is 40% of carbon. Hydrogen percentage is 6.6 and oxygen percentage is 53.4 is given. So that is given in your question. Okay, so already we know that atomic mass of this element. Carbon atomic mass 12 and next one hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic mass 1 and next one is oxygen. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. Okay. So we know element and percentage atomic mass. After that relative number of moles. So how to find the relative number of moles? Relative number of moles mean percentage divided by atomic mass. For example, carbon percentage is 40. So divided by 12. Okay. And then hydrogen percentage is 6.6. So here 6.6 divided by atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. And then oxygen percentage is 53.4 divided by 16. Okay. So now cancel these terms. So 12. So here 3 12s are. So remaining 3 12s are 36. So remaining 4, so point and put 0. So 3 is continuous. So 3.3 is the quotient for carbon. And next one, so here cancel this term 6.61 here. Okay. And then here cancel this term. So here also 3.3. Okay. And next one, what is the next step? We find the simplest ratio. So first we write this answers. So here 3.3, here 6.6, here 3.3. Okay. Which one is the smallest quotient here? 3.3 is the smallest quotient. So we take 3.3 and divided by all the terms. So here 3.3, here also 3.3, here also 3.3. Okay. So we get 1 here 2 times. So here 1 time. Okay. And next one simplest ratio in whole number. So here already answer is whole number only. Suppose here 1.2 mean we take 1 only. 1.6 mean, so how to write the whole number? So that is after the 0.5 and above mean, so 2 times. So here whole number only present. So 1 time. Here 2 times, here 1 time. Okay. So first element is given in the question. So carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So after that percentage 40, 6.6 and 53.4. Then atomic mass, already we know that carbon atomic mass 12, hydrogen atomic mass 1 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. And relative number of moles. So relative number of moles mean percentage divided by atomic mass. So 40 by 12, 6.6 by 1 and 53.4 divided by 16. So cancel these terms. Here 3.3, here 6.6, here also 3.3. And then next one, what is the smallest quotient? 3.3 is the smallest quotient. So I divided by 3.3 here, that is simplest ratio. So 3.3, 3.3, 3.3. So first one we get 1, second one 2 and third one 1. Okay, simplest ratio in whole number means, so here we write, what is the answer here? 1. So write in whole number 1. So 2, 2, 1, 1. Suppose 1.3 means the whole number is 1. Okay. And then we find the empirical formula. Here the empirical formula is D carbon 1 time, so carbon 1 time, hydrogen 2 times, so hydrogen 2 times, and oxygen also 1 time. So the empirical formula is CH2O. And another one example, carbon percentage is 32, hydrogen percentage is 4, and oxygen percentage is 64. Okay, atomic mass of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, and oxygen atomic mass is 16. Okay, what is the next step? Relative number of moles. Relative number of moles mean percentage divided by atomic mass. Here percentage is 32 divided by atomic mass is 12. Okay. And the next one 4 divided by 1. And the next one 64 divided by 16. And next step, cancel this one. So 32 divided by 12 means that is 2.66. Here 4 divided by 1, so that is 4. Here 64 divided by 16, simplify this one 4. Which one is the smallest quotient? 2.66 is the smallest quotient. So 2.66, that is answer. Here 4, here 4. So divided by the smallest quotient. So 2.66 is the smallest quotient. So here divided by 2.66. Here divided by 2.66. Here also divided by 2.66. So simplify this term. We get 1. So here 1.5 and here 1.5. Okay. So first one is whole number. The next step is simplest ratio in whole number. Okay. So here first one present in whole number, but second one and third one is not a whole number. Okay, suppose it is not a whole number mean, so here we converted into whole number by multiplying by a suitable smallest number. So suitable smallest number mean, so multiply by 2. So here first one, so multiply by 2 mean, so here into 2, so 2. So here into 2 mean 3, here into 2 mean 3. Okay. So the empirical formula is carbon 2 times, hydrogen 3 times, and oxygen molecules 3 times. So the empirical formula is C2H3O3. So that's all students. Thank you students.